In the mixture of 50 liters, milk and water are in the ratio 3:2. How much water should be added to make the ratio equal? Now, let's assume the milk to be 3x and hence water will be 2x. The total will be 5x. Now, the total mixture is given to us as 50 liters. So we can equate 5x with 50 liters. So therefore, x comes out to be 10. Therefore, milk comes out to be 30 liters and water comes out to be 20 liters. Now the question asked is how much water should be added to make the ratio equal? So 30 liters minus 20 liters, that is 10 liters water should be added to make the ratio equal. So answer will be option A.